This woman thinks she's doing the best. While doorbell cameras are so common, I guess this woman doesn't know anything about it. A group of girls are knocking on the door of a house, and a courier brings food and leaves it in front of the house. The girl group also says they came for Halloween and steals the food after the courier leaves.
You won't get your burrito unless we get candy. I'll take that shit. A treat. Holding your burrito hostage. I already did. Oh, sorry. It's not my fault. It's our fault. Sorry. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
A suspicious woman was talking on the phone and suddenly entered someone else's house. Then, when the homeowner realized that someone had entered his house, he informed the police. What do you think the woman might have done? Why are the police so cautious? When a courier comes home, be respectful and wear your clothes. The courier does not have to see you like that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
The fact that there are so many police officers makes one ask the question, why are there so many police officers and where are they going? Who could have done what? Why is this police officer acting strangely and why are they in front of the door?
Bless you.
He probably thought he was covering the camera with a baseball bat or something. Then when he realized he couldn't turn it off, he waited for the owner to open the door. What would he do if the door was opened?
Hello? What are you doing at my door?
He takes the stroller he borrowed from his neighbor but doesn't bring it back. If it were you, would you trust this neighbor again? These two kids came to rob themselves, but when they realized they couldn't do anything, they turned back. A crazy man in the neighborhood walks around with a huge stick in his hand and wakes up the homeowners in the middle of the night. What would you do with this man? Be careful who you open the door to, because now they don't hesitate to steal and they enter by knocking directly on the door. This man acts even more relaxed because he thinks he is a boxer.
What are you doing in my yard? Who's the owner of this house, G? Get home, then you speak to the owner.
You are trespassing.
I'm nobody. Trespass, who's the owner of this house? Yeah, call 911. Yeah, dude, I already called him, bitch. Who's the owner of the house? Thank you. Thank you for letting me know something. You made it easy. I'm gonna fuck your cops. You made it easy for me, bitch. Where's I'm gonna call the cops. I'm gonna call the cops. Yeah, call 911. Homies, not 911. Shut up, bitch. What's up? You already know what it is. Trespass in my business, bitch. You're drunk.
I need help.
Stop doing drugs.
Incompetent man who wants to steal a car is trying to break the window. When he forces the car window, the car horn starts honking and the man drives away. The owner must have had enemies. An arsonist pours gasoline on the car and burns it, and the owner quickly runs out.
You motherfuckers! You gotta fuck here! Call 911 right now.
This man also got off work, but how tired he is. He doesn't even hear what's coming behind him, and two young people approach him from behind and try to rob him. Look at the bike thief. He doesn't have a brain. He runs instead of getting on the bike. This woman comes to her house and knocks on the door, but no one answers. What happens when the woman forgets her keys? The woman probably came to the toilet and went to use the toilet, but no one opened the door, and the last thing she said was swearing. While the garbage truck was collecting the garbage in the neighborhood, a lazy woman forgot to put the garbage in front of her door and was trying to get into the garbage truck. At first, she tried to steal the stroller, but when she realized the stroller was locked, she tried to steal the things inside and the owner came out.
Hey,
Hey,
how's it going?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
I just needed
What are you
it
doing?
back.
Huh?
I just needed it back.
Why are you throwing it to my stuff?
I said I was sorry.
It's a little weird though, no?
I said I was sorry.
I know you said sorry, but it's a little bizarre, no? Did you take anything else?
So, would you like to check?
Huh?
Would you like to check?
Would I like to check? It's fucking weird, man.
Totally fucking weird.
Totally fucking weird.
Oh,
Guess what? You're weird.
Yeah? You're stealing shit. That's what you're doing. She's stealing shit out of her bag. Out of her fucking